direct from the government if they won't give them an affordable interest rate. Let me say, we did that when I was president. 10 million more people got aid. And with 10 million more people getting aid, you, the taxpayers, saved $4 billion. Why? Because when young people could afford to pay their loans back, they did. You know, when Hillary and I met, we were in law school, we'd both been on our own for several years, supporting ourselves. We didn't have any money. We were up to our ears in debt. But our government loaned us money at 3%. You know what that says to a young person like me? I was from the second poorest state in America. Nobody in my family had ever been to college before. And even my mother didn't think I'd wind up being president. I was just one of the kids. I was standing in line. But here's your government saying to the young people of America, we believe in you. You need a president who will say that to them again. We have got to turn this college situation around, or we are headed for deep trouble over the long run. Now, the last thing I want to say about education is this. We got to get back in the research business. Seriously. We need more money and less politics. This government has politicized research on everything from global warming research to stem cell research. And it's wrong. It's hurt America.